So in this video, I will show how appear offline on Telegram. So first open the app. Next click on this three horizontal line and choose setting. Tap on it. Next go privacy and security and scroll down and choose last seen and online. And how if you click on nobody can see you last seen time. So this is how can you appear offline. Also you can keep everybody. That's it. This is how can you do it. So I am gonna show you one more time real quick. Where can you find it? Open Telegram, click on this three horizontal line here. Go setting, next privacy and security, and click last scenes and online, and just click nobody. And also we need to confirm, so click OK, and that's it. This is how can you do you. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and if you want to support this channel, subscribe the channel.